Coming up later in US Zone, we visit the Indian consulate in New York for Dussehra celebrations. In Music Zone, catch up with Mithun and Botan. But first, Sharmila Tagore and Soha Ali Khan were in London to support the charity CRY. The charity organisation Child Rights and You hosted an evening supported by Sharmila Tagore and Soha Ali Khan at London's Mint Leaf restaurant. CRY is a non-profit organisation in India that aims to restore childless rights. It focuses mainly on tackling the root causes that continue to keep them uneducated, exploited and vulnerable.
Well, I'm very thankful that CRY has invited me here for this cause because I firmly believe in this cause. And to be here and to interact with friends and supporters of CRY, I think it's wonderful because CRY is, as you know, is very well-known organization in India. It's a household name. It's synonymous with protection for children and well-being of children, because that is what they do. They speak up for children wherever and whenever it is necessary, and they prefer the rights-based approach because it's not really charity. Children are entity on their own, and they have rights, and they have rights to life, they have rights to development, survival, and they have a right to be heard.
मेरा भी तो अधिकार है, मेरा भी तो अधिकार है, मेरा भी तो अधिकार है.
So I think CRY takes this message to the people. As you know, India is huge, our problems are huge, our population is huge, so everything, we talk in. I mean, India, the GDP growth, there is a lot of jubilation. 300 million people are doing exceedingly well, but we cannot really have amnesia about the other 700 who are really struggling.
As everyone knows already, CRY is doing wonderful work and has been for over 30 years in India. And CRY UK has been in existence since 2007. Here, of course, people are slightly removed from the issue, as are we in India, actually quite removed from the issue. But it is a very pressing need, and there are 400 million children in India, half of whom don't have access to primary education. The statistics are actually very grim. But we're hoping to raise some money for 2 specific projects in Jharkhand and West Bengal.
We're very grateful to Sharmila and Soha for the support they've given CRY, not just today but over the years, and they're great ambassadors for CRY, really raising the awareness of our organisation in the UK as we try and grow the awareness and to try and reach the levels of recognition that we already have in India.
दौर की तस्वीर है स्कूल के सब रस्तों पर कॉपी किताब बस्तों पर क्लासरूम टीचर पर ब्लैकबोर्ड पे हर अक्षर पर मेरा भी तो अधिकार है मेरा भी तो
is a collective responsibility of the civil society. Of course, the government is doing their bit, but I think with the NGOs like CRY and people like us, we also try and focus on issues.
We're working hard to increase awareness and spread that awareness to a wider audience, and that's the main purpose today.
In every scenario, somehow the children are the worst victims. I mean, their plight is terrible because they're open to exploitation, abuse, and they're thrown out of school and discrimination. So I think CRY is also education based. They've got these 2 new projects coming up called Jago and Man. So Man is about psychological disturbances that the children feel because families are breaking up and they're experiencing violence inside their family, outside of their family. They're being relocated from one place to another place. Now, all this is very stressful. So they are dealing with that. And Jago is also another enterprise which is happening in Jharkhand, which is also dealing with this problem of going from one place to another, which, when you read in the papers, in the name of development, you're sitting on coal, you're sitting on bauxite, and these things happen, families have to move. But the stress on that family is enormous. I mean, imagine you and I, if we have to do that. And these are people because their support system is in that place, their income is from that place, so suddenly they are lost, and also they lose their dignity. So I think these are very focused projects that CRY has prioritized.
इनके जैसा ना कोई दूजा है
कितने मासूम कितने भोले हैं
इनके जैसा कोई ना दूजा है
इनके जीवन में रोशनी लाना एक इबादत है एक पूजा है त्योहारों पर मेलों पर मैदानों पर खेलों पर फुटबॉल पे क्रिकेट पर
Come here to raise funds for CRY, and I hope you'll remember CRY and spare a thought for these children. Any little contribution is accepted and we'll be very, very grateful. Log on to CRY and do whatever you can and we'll be happy.
एक सूफी ये सबसे कहता है छुप के बच्चों में खुदा रहता है छुप के बच्चों में खुदा रहता है खुदा रहता है उतना ही प्यार पाओगे जितना भी प्यार दो उतना ही प्यार पाओगे जितना भी प्यार दो इनको जीने का अधिकार है इनको जीने का अधिकार दो इनको जीने का अधिकार दो इनको जीने का अधिकार दो
They've done a wonderful job for CRY and they've supported us all the time in India. The first time they've really come to UK and it just feels brilliant, I think a lot of people here do connect with them and it helps CRY in a big way.
I think they've done an excellent job too, and I think it's fabulous to have such high, powerful people supporting CRY. And if people at that position can support us and listen to the issues and actually take it to heart, then we can engage local communities, we can engage a whole range of different individuals to listen to us and to take the issue seriously.
I really love Sharmila Tagore. Her acting's very good. She was very good in Dag as well, wasn't she?
She hasn't changed. I've been watching her movies when I was young girl, 12, 13 years old. And I feel I've grown up, but Sharmila Tagore is still there, young, looking still same. So she's big aspiration to me.
Sharmila Tagore, thanks for having you here, and
Nice to see you. Nice to see you in person. Always watch your movie and admired you. So it's lifetime dream come true today.
मेरे सपनों की रानी कब आएगी तू, आई रुत मस्तानी कब आएगी तू, बीती जाए जिंदगानी कब आएगी तू, चलिया हाथ चलिया. प्यार की गलियां, बाहों की गलियां, सब रंग रलियां पूछ रही है. प्यार की गलियां, बाहों की गलियां, सब रंग रलियां पूछ रही है. गीत पनघट पे किस दिन गाएगी तू, मेरे सपनों की रानी कब आएगी तू, आई रुत मस्तानी कब आएगी तू, बीती जाए जिंदगानी कब आएगी तू, चलिया तू.